you guys do vampire facials here?
We don't, because I'll tell you why.
Yes, I hear it coming. Please.
You know, your stem cells are only as good as, you know, however.
You're telling me I'm old. Right.
You know, the quality of your stem cells are only as good as, you know, if you take care of yourself, if you are, you know, healthy. So I just think that there are better things that we have out there, like exosomes and peptides, rather than your own stem cells. So not all times people's stem cells are good quality, essentially.